Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my vlog channel. This weekend I'm at my mountain house in Blue Ridge, Georgia, and I decided to vlog the weekend. We got here a few hours ago and it is Friday. It's Friday the 21st of June. It's 5:50 at night and we are about to go out to the brewery. The brewery is the restaurant that we love to go to. They have really good food, and tonight one of like the best performers is performing. His name is Travis Bolin. He's like the best country voice like ever. He's really talented, and so we're gonna go eat some good food, listen to some good music tonight, and then later this weekend I think we're gonna go tubing down the river and tubing on the back of a boat. So I just wanted to vlog the weekend. I'm trying to vlog as much summer activities as possible because y'all love it and I love it. So I'm putting on my socks. I don't have matching ones, don't clock me. My blisters from the Braves game still kind of hurt my toes, but it's okay. I just wanted to start this vlog, and then we will see you guys when we get to the restaurant. But this is the start of our weekend at the mountain house. By the way, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my yellow Seaside hoodie, which is from Seaside, Florida. It's a little beach town, and it's just the yellow one with like the blue writing on it. And then I'm wearing my Forever 21 athletic shorts. They're just really comfy. And then I'm gonna put on my checkerboard Vans because they're my favorite. Oh, and look, I made this friendship bracelet yesterday. And yes, I made it for myself because I don't have friends. Look at this one. I'm so talented. So now I have two, except I didn't make this one. A subscriber made this one and sent it to me. Okay, I'm not that selfish. Okay, I'll see you in the car. Here's the brewery. This is the restaurant that we always eat at.
Because people like hearing
Really? We got boiled peanuts and loaded cheese fries and mac and cheese balls, but mine's gone. Chase's is almost gone. Live music is gonna be there. And then these are all of our beers. Like the way you talk, like the way you walk, like the way you talk, so like you. I think it's great. You should sit.
Go for broke. They play.
And they spent more time on break than they did actually film.
Just recorded the person behind us. He was in the background and we made eye contact. That was Aki Taco.
Aki Taki?
Ako Taco.
Okay, without thinking about it right now, pop quiz. If I said, I'm going to take you to Europe tomorrow, name one city or country you'd want to go to.
California. The question was if I'm gonna take you to Europe.
Not the United States,
okay.
Europe.
It's my bestie.
You want to go to Belgium or Sweden?
He's eating ice cream. We're at the brewery. You can probably tell by now. We got appetizers, we got mac and cheese balls, boiled peanuts, and french fries. And then we're gonna get our main meal, and I got a salad. This is our performer dude. His name is Travis, and he's very, very good. Cam, you wanna talk to my vlog? What do you wanna say? Here, vlog. Tomorrow, my mom and I are getting our hair done by a professional hairstylist because our mountain house neighbor friends, is that a good way to say it?
We're also executives of L'Oreal.
They work at L'Oreal, and so he's coming to do our hair. Basically, a dude's gonna come do our hair who works at L'Oreal, and he's really good.
He doesn't work at L'Oreal.
Then
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
I think he does.
I think he does. My salad with chicken, my mom's lonely mushroom. It's so random. And then that's chicken and waffles.
I'm pretty, baby, tell me what's the word. Word up, everybody say. So when you hear the call, you gotta get it underway.
So I ate a bunch of my salad. I didn't finish it, but we're outside of the Blue Ridge Brewery now where we just ate. And here's Mason, my little buddy. Come here, Mason. This is my bestie in the whole wide world. We're leaving. I want ice cream. We're at Three Sisters Fudge, which is the best dessert place. They have fudge and ice cream and milkshakes. Look at all that. Mom, can you hit the low? This is like a never-ending series on my vlog channel. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. No, we should make a 10-minute video.
I didn't do that. I only did.
Okay, that was good. And I know right now. You can go follow us on TikTok at Caiti Mackenzie. We're still in the fudge shop. It'll take it forever to make our milkshake. Yeah, right. Bye, sisters. Can I do it? Am I good at it? Oh no, my milkshake is coming. My milkshake brings all the boys to the young. Fail. Hey guys, so it is now the next day, Saturday. I didn't really vlog too much yesterday, but we went out to dinner, as you guys saw, at the Blue Ridge Brewery, which is like the restaurant that we love to go to. And then we went and got milkshakes at like the Three Sisters Fudge place, and that lady was mean. She was not nice. And then after that, I didn't vlog anymore, but we just sat by the fire at night and like listened to music all night. And there was like a really bad thunder and lightning storm. It was crazy, and I didn't sleep very well, but I ended up going to bed at 1, and I woke up at 6:30 this morning. And I woke up at 6:30 to getting my period, which was absolutely the worst thing ever. So then, because I had really bad cramps because I woke up to that great surprise this morning, I took Advil, and since I took Advil on an empty stomach, I felt nauseous for like 3 hours this morning. And now it's almost 10 o'clock, and I don't know if you guys could understand what we were saying at the brewery yesterday, but our best friends at the Mountain House brought up one of their friends, Daniel, and he's a professional hairstylist, and he's gonna be doing my mom and I's hair. He works for L'Oreal, and like I said, that's like a really big connection. So he's gonna be doing my mom and I's hair, and I wanted to video it. He's gonna video it. It's really fun. I've never had my hair done before. I think he's gonna cut it, like trim it, and then curl it or something. I don't know. And then I'm gonna have a photo shoot because I bought new clothes. But this is just what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this like teal dress with a white t-shirt underneath, and it's from Forever 21. It was in my most recent haul on my main channel. That's just it. Like I said, I wasn't feeling good this morning at all. I felt like I was literally gonna throw up all morning. I woke up at 6:30 in the morning and could not go back to sleep. I took 2 baths, 2 Advil. I haven't eaten anything. This is a really cool opportunity and something really cool that it could turn into something big for me. And who doesn't want to get their hair done? Like, that's awesome. I don't really like this dress with the white t-shirt under, but that's what we're working with. Because of that, I took off my white necklace, and I think that just looked better. But I'm gonna eat, put on a little bit of makeup, and then I'll vlog when we see Daniel. We hung out with Daniel all yesterday, and he's actually really cool. He's really fun, and I'm excited to get my hair done by him because he's like top rated. He's like one of the best in the country, so this is so cool. Okay, I just put a little bit of mascara on, some tinted brow gel, highlight on my nose, and chapstick. And now we're gonna go eat food. I don't feel as nauseous as I did this morning. This morning was really bad. I cried like 4 times. Psych, I'm not wearing that blue striped dress with the white t-shirt anymore. My mom made me change. She said that that color won't pop on film and it doesn't flatter my skin tone. She's also yelling at my brothers right now. But now I'm just wearing this black dress, and it has sunflowers on it, which everyone knows sunflowers are my favorite, and then yellow is like my brand, my favorite color. My mom always packs clothes for me because I don't pack clothes like ever. I pack like hobo clothes, and then my mom packs me my nice clothes. I changed my outfit. I'm just gonna be wearing my slides over there because I didn't bring any shoes that will match. A few hours ago, my dad brought me home some breakfast, and now I'm gonna eat this breakfast. Hopefully I don't feel sick after eating. I'm feeling a lot better though, so I'm gonna eat my potatoes. What do I look like? I look insane. Wanna say hi, Daniel? Hey. Getting my hair done with the great view. Super pretty mountains. We're getting it curled. Oh, dog. So we're done curling and styling, and I got a haircut, and we cut off like 3 inches. Y'all probably won't think it's short, but I got long layers, and we just cut it a little bit. It's so short. Does my hair look short?
It's not that bad. It's really cute.
You like it?
Yeah. So we are making, your brother made up our vlog, my vlog channel for baking.
Oh, you're gonna start one?
Yeah.
That's so good. All right, this is my final hair. We cut like 3 inches off of it, and then he curled. Mason, I'm trying to vlog.
What's up?
You weren't even in the frame. This is my final hair. We cut like 3 inches off of it. It used to go almost down to my booty, and now it doesn't.
It looks
I like
really
it though.
cute.
Yeah.
Did he layer it?
He did. He gave me long layers, which I've also never had before. Now we're in Maddie's kitchen and we're baking. She made cookies, but my mom's getting her hair done now. Daniel's doing her hair, and all he's doing hi. He's blow drying it so it will dry because it's wet, and then he's gonna cut it and then curl it, I think. It might not look like we cut a lot off, but this is a lot cut off for me. I don't really like ever cut my hair. My hair goes like right underneath my bra line.
Gosh, our hair goes the same length.
Twins! Watch me whip. Nay, nay.
My hair's still rocking.
She made a whole thing of icing.
It's disgusting.
Oh, Maddie. You usually make your own icing?
Mm-hmm.
The one in the can is so good.
The one in the can is so disgusting.
I will like eat this all.
Have fun. You want some cookies to go with it?
No.
Okay. Oh, Publix cookies are so good, but you have to admit, mine are pretty good.
They're pretty good. I actually want to help you start a YouTube channel. That'd be so
Oh
fun.
no, I'm so gonna do it.
Maddie's really good at baking. Like really good at baking. After I got my haircut, we took photos on Daniel's camera. He has a Sony camera, so it's small like mine, but he has an extended lens, which makes it look really cool. So he'll probably post those on his Instagram. Hopefully I get some of them so I can post some of them. Maddie is throwing out my icing.
It's so disgusting. Okay, so your brother made up a name. Do you like it? Maddie's Kitchen?
Yeah,
I thought it was a pretty good name.
that's a pretty good name.
You did pretty good. I was like, oh, it could be baking with Maddie. He goes, no, Maddie's Kitchen.
I like Maddie's Kitchen.
First she goes, Maddie's Corner. I was like, no.
You love it?
Yeah, I like it.
I get the
Very
6th
pretty.
growth and the
Oh,
6th
it's
Christmas.
so much more healthy.
Would you like a cookie?
Maddie made
I
cookies.
would.
I want the raspberries.
That's it for this mukbang. You know what a mukbang is? Maddie's mukbang. It's where you eat and talk. You tell me, honestly, I've always wanted to cut it shoulder length. Like right here. No? You don't think so?
Because your face is long.
Everyone tells me that.
It could go
So
go
I
up
would
here.
I would wear it like this. And then I would go like that. Do we
It
hate
doesn't
it?
look that bad.
No? But I am way too scared to do that. Cause like this freaks me out. So like imagine that. Like I'd be dead. All right, I'm back home from Maddie's house, who's our neighbor. He gave me a few products from L'Oreal. Like I said, Daniel, the hairstylist, and our family friends and their family gave us a bunch of hair product. The curls kind of fell out, but it's just a little bit at the end, and I feel like it makes such a big difference. But now we are gonna go on the boat, and I'm very excited. I'm not gonna bring my camera on the boat, just cause I don't want it to get wet, but I will vlog on my phone. Hopefully I get a little bit of a tan, but I'll probably just end up getting burnt. But yeah, that's my hair. I like it. It's shorter than I normally do it, but it looks pretty good. Okay, we'll see you on the boat. We are here. I'm phone vlogging now. We're at the marina and we're gonna go get the boat right there and then sail the 7 seas. Bless me. Look what this kid decided to wear. He put pajama pants underneath his shorts. He says that tubing burns his knees, so he wants to cover his knees with pajama pants under his shorts.
Everybody needs to come get in.
Getting in. Oh, I'm scary. Oh.
Fail.
It's now 5 o'clock and we just docked up our boat and Chase is carrying the tube down there. But my hair is a hot mess. From getting it done earlier, I kind of completely ruined the curls that I had. But we were on the boat for like 4 hours, 3.5, something like that. But we're gonna go to a store and pick up some stuff to grill on the grill tonight for dinner. It's Sunday and it's 7 o'clock and
We're going to a Mexican restaurant now.
I'm home from the mountain house and I came to Cole's. We got home at 5 and I went to his baseball game and now we're going to a Mexican restaurant. My dog. Come on, dog. Carter, hit the whoa.
Whoa!
My weekend vlog. We're now at the restaurant.
Hang on, whoa. Restart.
Cole's eating chips and queso, but we're at the restaurant.
And we all got quesadillas.
Oh. Hey guys, so I'm now home from hanging out with Cole and Carter and going out to dinner and from this weekend at the mountain house. I know that I just didn't really vlog today, but that's because all we did was pack to come home, clean the house, and then I went to Cole's baseball game, went to dinner, and came home like 2 minutes ago. I'm eating ice cream now. Thank you guys for watching this weekend vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing what a mountain house weekend in my life looks like. I will see you guys in my next vlog, and thank you for watching. Peace to the Middle East.